Hello friends, welcome to part 3. In this video you are going to learn about 2 marks questions. Question: find the largest number which divides 70 and 125, leaving the remainders 5 and 8 respectively. So see that for MCQs procedure is not required, not important, because we want only option. Now this question section B, C and remaining we need explanation. Go with properly explanation. 21st question, first I am writing the given numbers. 21st, given numbers 70 and 125. 70 and 125. Here when you are dividing these numbers with other, it leaving remainders 5 and 8. So when you are dividing that number, this 17 with some other number, we are getting remainder 5, so that you can reduce the remainder from this, because when a number is dividing with other completely, then remainder is 0. Here when you have something as remainder, that remainder should be removed from the given number. 70 minus 5, it is 65. You can write here even reminders. The reminders are, so I am taking reminders are 5 and 8 respectively. That means remainder for the first number is 5 and second number is 8. So 125 minus 8, it is 117. Now see the question. Find the largest number. What is meant by largest number? When you want to find the largest number, they will not ask you to find LCM and HCF directly. The question is about maximum, largest, highest, all these we can find the HCF. So for which numbers we will find the HCF? For 70 and 125 or 65 and 117? Definitely it is 65 and 117, because here we have this 5 and 8 are the remainders. First we need to subtract the remainders from the given numbers. After that, what answers here or what numbers we are getting, for the two numbers we need to find the HCF. For finding the highest number, or according to the question we will go with this, find the largest number. Largest number is what? HCF of 65 and 117. Now we need to find the HCF of two numbers. First I am finding the factors of 65. We know that factorization method is one of the method to find the LCM and HCF. To find the HCF of these two numbers, first I will find the factors of 65. What are the 65 factors? Can we write directly, right? 13 5s are 65. 5 into 13. 13 5s are 65. Take the 17, 117, which is so 7 plus, we can do it long factorization method 117, because 7 plus 1 is 8 plus 1 9. It is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 27. 3 9s are. Okay. Next 3 1s are, 3 3s are. Can we write 3 into 3 into 13? So the factors of 117 are 3 into 3 into 13. Now what is HCF? Highest common factor. What is the common factor in both of these? Only one number, that is 13. So HCF of 65 and 117 is 13. HCF of 65 and 117 is 13. Actually 65 and 117 are not there in the given question, but remainders are given. That's why we are subtracting the remainders and finding the two numbers. So like this you can complete the 21st question. Now I am explaining the 22nd question, which is from probability. See now how to solve this 22nd question. All the red faced cards are removed from pack of 52 playing cards. There are 50. We know that the deck of cards are 52 playing cards. From that, red faced cards are removed. What are the faced cards? Jock, Queen, King. These are the three faced cards. How many red faced cards are there? So coming to the red faced cards, there are two red suits, right? One is hearts and diamonds. hearts and diamonds are the two cards, two suits with the red color. Now there are 3 faced cards in hearts and 3 diamond faced cards in diamonds. Total how many faced cards are there? Red color 6. Number of, first you write it, number of red faced cards, red faced cards equal to 6. Number of red faced cards are 6. Now next one, total cards. How many total cards in a deck? There are 52 total cards, right? Now coming to the total cards in this case, because if red faced cards are removed, after total cards after removing red faced cards, number of cards after red faced cards are removed, red faced cards are removed. How many cards you will get now? You will get 52 minus 6, which is 46. 52 minus 6 is 46. Now come to the questions. Now in this question we have to take only 46 are the faced cards. Okay. So not faced cards, total number of cards 46. Faced cards are 6 that we have removed already. Now come to the first question. Now I am writing directly answer. You know the formula, you can write that formula. First question, what is the probability of getting faced card? So for first one I will write complete procedure. Next question you can do in the same way. Let F be the event to get faced card. To get the faced card, I am taking F be the event. Okay, now P of F I will find. Here we have to write the formula, that is P of E. Probability of an event is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So what are the favorable outcomes here? Here we have total 46. In that, what is the first question? Probability to get the faced card. How many faced cards are there? Total 12 faced cards are there. In that 6 are removed. Now we have only 6 black faced cards. That is 6 by total cards are now only 46, not 52. Generally given this question, you will do mistake here. Total cards as 52 you will take. That's the reason I have given this question. So you need to remove that 6 red faced cards which are removed from the total. Now total cards are only 42. Now 2 3s are 2, 23s are 3 by 23 is the answer for first one. Now I am writing in the same way. You can write the procedure. I will write directly answer for the second one. What is the second question? A red card. How many total red cards? There are 26 red cards, right? So 26, in that 26, 6 cards are removed. Directly I am taking P of R. P of R is equal to, I will write here, okay? I will write here P of R. Red cards are 20 out of 46. So here I can cancel with the 2 table, 23. 10 red cards out of 23. Total red cards actually 26. In that 26, 6 cards are removed. So now only 20 cards we have. 20 out of 46. So 10 by 23. Like this you can complete 21st and 22nd question. Now question number 23. Find the roots of this given quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation? X square minus 3 root 5 x plus 10 equal to 0. Now we need to find the factors or roots for this. Okay. Even you learn this one in a quadratic polynomial, that is polynomials chapter, and also this is from quadratic equation. So when you want to find roots for any quadratic polynomial or equation, first multiply x square term with the constant term, that is 10 into x square, 10x square. Take the factors of 10x square whose sum should be middle term. Here you have to remember one thing. Whenever you have the roots middle term in terms of square root. So we have square root is 5, right? Square root of 5. You should take 5 only as one of the factor of 10. Because 5 only we can write as in terms of root 5. So I am writing this 5 as root 5 into root 5. So 5x root 5 into root 5 we can write. Next, we know that 5x into 2x is 10x square. You can take directly 5x and 2x, but directly we can't take 5x plus 2x or 5x minus 2x to get the minus 3 root 5. For that, now I will pair it like this. One is 2 root 5x and one more root 5x. Root 5x and 2 root 5x. 2 root 5 plus root 5 is how much? 3 root 5x. But coming to the question, we have middle term as minus. So by adding 2 root 5 and root 5 we are getting 3 root 5, but minus symbol we are not getting. Now I am taking minus for both, because when you have two negative numbers we will add and we will keep the negative symbol. When you have two positive numbers then we will add and we will keep the plus symbol. So addition is possible for both the positive, both negative. That's why I am taking both negative here. Minus into minus, it is plus, because 2 root 5x and root 5x are the factors of 10x square. This also you have to check. 2 into root 5 into root 5 is 5, 5 2s are 10, x into x, x square, minus into minus, plus 10x square. Now, in place of minus 3 root 5x, we have to write minus 2 root 5x and minus root 5x. Now I am writing x square minus 2 root 5x minus root 5x plus 10 is equal to 0. Now I will simplify this. You can check properly. There is first two you can take something common, last two you can take common. Now first two terms we don't have any number as common. Only x is there. You can take x as common. So x remains minus 2 root 5 minus, here we need to take something common in both of these. After taking common, what we are getting inside the bracket should be same like this. Then only it's possible to continue or to get the factors. Now by seeing that we can say no, it is looking like no number is common, right? But 10 we can write it as root 5 into root 5 into 2. So I am taking root 5 common. So minus root 5 if you take common, you will get first term as x. After taking common, if you are writing the first term in the second expression, check whether both are same or not. Yes, both are x only. Now already we have minus here. We have taken minus common, but here we have plus. So you will get minus, because minus into minus is plus. So root 5 is common, then 2 root 5 remains equal to 0. So if you will observe these two expressions, x minus 2 root 5 is common in both of them. So I am taking x minus 2 root 5 common. First term is x, second term is root 5. This x and this minus root 5 is equal to 0. Next, to find the roots. Roots are nothing but finding the x values. So in quadratic equation we will use the word roots. In linear equations we will use the solution. In polynomials we will use zeros of the polynomial. Okay. Now all three are almost the same meaning. Now we can take it x minus 2 root 5 is equal to 0, or x minus root 5 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 root 5. This minus 2 root 5 will transpose to right side. It will become plus 2 root 5, or x is equal to minus root 5 will transpose to right side. It will become root 5. Therefore the roots of the roots are, you can write the conclusion, because this is these problems 2 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks. Conclusion is mandatory. Write the conclusion. Therefore the roots are 2 root 5, or you can write comma root 5. These are the two roots of the given quadratic equation. Given question is quadratic equation. The degree of quadratic equation is 2. That's why you get at most 2 roots for the given equation. Next, 24th question. It is given that AD by AE is equal to AC by BD and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Here triangle you can take in the see on the screen ABCD triangle. Here angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is given. We know that in a triangle two angles are equal, their opposite sides are equal. What is the side opposite to angle 1? It is BD, right? So in place of angle 1 and angle 2, I am taking the sides which are opposite to equal angles, that is BD and AB. So in triangle ABD, two angles are equal. If two angles are equal, their opposite sides are equal. This question we have in textbook. Okay, similar to the textbook question. So angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. So if two angles are equal, their opposite sides are equal. You can write that reason. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Reasons are mandatory in the geometry questions. Here two angles are given as equal. I am taking two sides are equal. Now here see why I am taking this. BD is equal to AB. In place of BD, actually in the required one, what is the required? BAE is similar to CAD. In BAE and CAD triangle we don't have BD. BD is not part of the required triangle. To get the required one, in place of BD I will take AB. Now I am taking AD by AE is equal to AC by, in place of BD I will take AB. The reason is BD is equal to AB or AB is equal to BD. BD and AB sides are equal. Directly I am taking in place of BD AB value. Now two sides are in the same ratio. If you want to prove that two triangles are similar, we have three methods, three types of similarities. One is SSS, three sides are in the same ratio. Two sides, one angle, that is SAS similarity. Next one is AA similarity or AAA similarity. Three angles are equal. But here two sides are in the same ratio. I am taking the third measurement as given. Instead of given you can take once. The angle 1, that is we want two triangles, right? BAE triangle and CAD triangle. In both the triangles angle 1 is common, right? So AD by AE we have AD by AE, and but AD and AE is not part of the two different triangles, right? So for that I am switching these two because AD and AE are on the same line, but we want this AD corresponding part is AC. So AD by AC is equal to AE by AB. Now two corresponding sides are in the same ratio because these two are not corresponding. You can see in the given diagram. And angle 1 is common, right? Angle 1 is common. What is angle 1? Angle CAD. Angle CAD is equal to angle BAE. Angle CAD is equal to angle BAE. Now two sides are in the same ratio and one corresponding angle is equal. Now we can say that by SAS similarity, two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle BAE is similar to triangle CAD in SAS similarity. Okay, you can write the reason like this. So, when you want to explain 2 marks question even from geometry concepts, you have to take the question. Reasons are important. Right? Show that how two triangles are similar. Now coming to the 25th question. Here 25th last question of this 2 marks. Here I am taking the given. If median of the data is 20.6, given median is equal to 20.6. Next, second one is mode 26. Mode value is 26. We want to find mean. So here we have empirical formula, that is the relationship between mean, mode, median. So first I will write the formula which is related to mean, mode, median. Later we will find I will find mean. So mode is equal to, this is the formula, mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. This is the formula which is the relationship between mean, mode, median. But here mode is not required. What is required here? Mean is required. I am writing direct formula. Mean is equal to, actually we need to transpose this to here. You will get 2 mean is equal to 3 median minus mode by 2. Because 2 more mean we will get, directly I am writing the formula. In exam you can write one more extra step, that is 2 mean is equal to 3 median minus mode. So here that 2 I am transposing to right side, so you will get to the denominator. Now simplify it. Mean is equal to 3 median. What is median here? 20.6 minus mode is 26 by 2, which is equal to 20.6 23 is 60, 63 is 1.8, that is 61.8 minus 26 by 2, which is equal to 61.8 minus 26. Here 0.8 will be as it is, 61 minus 26, 11 minus 6 is 5, and this will become 5, 5 minus 2 is 3, 35 by 8 is equal to 2. Now you can divide 35.8 by 2, you will get 2 ones are 2, next 1 5 15, 2 sevens are 14, 1 8.9. Now write it conclusion. Therefore, what is the required mean? Mean of given data is 17.9. Units are not required because we have already in the question directly only